Welcome back to Heal Mind Plus. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: understanding and managing your emotions. In this video, we'll explore how to handle those times when life seems to be consistently getting you down. You know those moments when it feels like everything is working against you? Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. It's just your emotional compass guiding you towards a deeper understanding of yourself. And that's what Heal Mind is all about, isn't it? Guiding you towards your best self through the ups and downs of life. Before we begin, I want you to do something. Take a moment to really sit with how you're feeling right now. What emotions are bubbling beneath the surface? Are you feeling overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, or maybe even a mix of everything? It's okay. Whatever you're feeling is valid. This is a safe space where we normalize these feelings and empower you to navigate them. Now, let's talk about those times when life seems to be constantly bringing you down. Maybe you're facing challenges at work, personal issues, relationship problems, or even health concerns. It can feel like an endless cycle of negativity, can't it? But here's where your emotional intelligence comes into play. Instead of letting these emotions consume you, think of them as messengers, signs that there's something in your life that needs your attention. They're not there to hold you down, but to guide you towards creating positive change. So what can you do when life feels like it's bringing you down? First and foremost, acknowledge your feelings. Don't try to push them away or ignore them. Embrace them, understand them, and let them be there. Next, take a step back and analyze the situation. What exactly is causing these negative feelings? Is it something within your control? Often we find that many of our worries are about things we can't control. So focus on what you can influence and let go of the rest. Remember, you have the power to change your perspective. It's not always easy, but with practice, it becomes a habit that can lead to a more peaceful, fulfilling life. Don't believe me? Try it for yourself. Start by focusing on the positive aspects of your life. What are you grateful for? What brings you joy? Shift your attention to these things and watch how your emotions start to shift as well. It's like turning a ship's wheel, isn't it? At first, it takes a lot of effort, but once you get the momentum going in the right direction, it becomes easier to maintain. That's the beauty of cultivating a positive mindset. It's a skill, a muscle that you can strengthen with practice. Thanks for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and emotional mastery. Remember, you're not just a passenger in the crazy train of life, you're the conductor. Your emotions are the passengers that can take you to destinations you never imagined. So choose your emotions wisely, for they hold the map to your inner peace and true power. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and above all, stay connected to your true self.